I just go in whenever I feel like it.
Let the games,
let's go.
Let the games, let the games begin.
Yo, do the knowledge to the master builder, blowing the spliff, the new millennium, Hiram a Biff. Gotta watch what I say to you niggas, so I code my section. Cause this shit ain't really past the statute of limitations. The streets still hollering about how strong I am. Niggas I hurt still holler about how wrong I am. As a little nigga broke, baking soda and coke had me amazed how my steady hand kept it afloat. Let it sit, cool it hard and hit the set, cool it heartless in front of the store projects. Long as I made a profit, I see you eyeing me. Your fire escape diary, filled with pages of episodes that shine me. Non-believer, my hammer for hire. Hit your ass so close that your coat will catch fire. Dog, the stakes are dire. I'm no liar. Hold a court in the street, B, cause I got prize.
Same team, no game. Keep chicks that blow brains. Rather rock Soul Train. The corners rockin' cocaine, got no shame. Trying to build these figures. Headquarters left, he ain't gone, he's still with us. Not in the physical, to us he live. I can see him with Big L Pun, Pockin' Big, watching over the kid like yeah, shake the waist over. Inhale that ether, blow out and take over. I'm the truth, give you proof at your video shoot. Pull them cannons on you while them cameras on you. How you love that? Don't wanna bump with stacks, so get head dumb up. Make me call crumb up. It's the militia. Y'all niggas don't know about I. Got me heated, frustrated, about to blow my high. Me and pants blazing, Rave got the gauge raising. Sick of talk about it, niggas ain't on my wavelength.
United we stand together, down for whatever. Divided we get at you from all angles. Gangstar forbid, NYG, same team, no game. Love is love, fam, one and the same. Funny style, niggas act strange, going against the grain. Don't wanna see us on top of our thing, we adapt to change. Fame, fortune, and material gain. Flow stay natural, unrestrained. Let me explain, niggas don't get it till you set it aflame. Subject them to pain, make them respect the name that set you rep. Connect, you claim, stay ready to bang. Steps ahead of competitors, they'll test your aim. Age stacks you back, splat, dead your brain. My foundation, buzz gat, splat, dead your brain. Fuck with mine, splat, not take the blame. Playing for keeps, we came to win.
Yo, I'm the Jerry Rice to this, much too nice to quit. And just so you know, we never liked you, kid, cause you ain't wanna let niggas eat. So I'ma convene with my team before we gotta let the trigger speak. Cause nowadays, y'all rappers are carbon copies. Your bars are sloppy, still it's hard to stop me. Especially when I connect with my man, rep with my fam, we taking back the rest of our land. And we don't really care if they say the shit, they're playing your hits, we about to make our way in this bitch. And let's see if it gimmick lasts till the next season. In a flash, take your stupid ass out, give me the next reason. Flip for my people's hair, spit for my people's hair, yeah. Time to get rich with my people's hair. Cut off a snake's head, then we break bread. Same team, no games, you on the ground trying to fake dead.
Let the games begin. Let the games begin. Let the games begin. Let the games begin. Let the games begin.